Hey everyone, it's Joe from Batteries Plus. Today I'm going to walk you through the simple process of replacing your batteries in the Pride GoGo Sport 3-wheel version mobility scooter. It is the same process for the 4-wheel version, as well as many other GoGo mobility scooters. First things first, what you want to do is make sure that the scooter is off. You can take the key out and throw it in the basket if you like. Next, so you can take the seat off, fold it down, and lift straight up, and then you can set this aside. Next thing you have to do is take the battery pack out. In order to take the battery pack out, what you do is you put your hand through the handle and then just lift straight up. You might have to apply a little bit of force just because it's down there with some Velcro, but just lift straight up, and then you can set this aside because when you take this apart to get to the batteries. So to take the battery pack apart, what you're going to need are a couple of tools. You're going to need a long Phillips head screwdriver, a 5/16 inch wrench to take the terminal bolts off, and then gloves, especially if you have, wedding ring or metal watches. You're going to want to cover that so you don't get a shock if you accidentally touch the positive and negative terminals. Great. So once you have the battery pack on your table, what we want to do is take the cover off of the battery pack so you can gain access to the batteries. To do that, you have to flip it over and remove 8 screws from the bottom of the case and hold the cover on. So just repeat that 7 more times and we'll see you back. Once you have all 8 screws out, you can carefully flip this back onto its bottom. Careful of the cover because it's loose now, and then you should just take it off. And now we have access to our batteries. So the next step is to disconnect each one and then take the batteries out and put our new ones in. So at this point is where I'm going to put on at least one glove just to keep my hand safe from any accidental shocks, with the wedding ring and the watch. And then what you're going to do is just take your 5/16 inch wrench and just take off each of the battery cables. And if you have butterfingers like I usually do, if you drop a washer or something down underneath, you could just wait till the end, because when you take the battery out, you'll be able to pick them back up. See, just like that. So then we can just take our cable, just move it to the side so it doesn't connect, and then just lift out the battery and set that aside. And then here's the nut I just dropped. All right, so for the purpose of this video, I'm not actually going to put new batteries in here because frankly, this scooter is pretty new, so the batteries are still in good shape. But when you insert the new batteries, just make sure that you put them in the box with the correct orientation. So the positive goes to the positive, the negative goes to the negative. And then you just reconnect your cables. All right, once your batteries are connected, everything is tight, then we can reassemble the battery box, put the cover back on, put the 8 screws back in, and then put it back in the scooter. All right, y'all, we are on the final stretch here. So the next step would be to put the cover back on. Carefully clip it back onto the top. And then you have to insert the 8 screws and screw the screws away. All right, at this point, you can just take your new batteries and just place it right back on the scooter, and it should just click right into place. You can just put your seat back on, and she's ready to go. So now that you got everything back together, you can just put key in, and I'll see you next time.